Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day. So this is a clip from a previously recorded video. This is a much shorter clip of it. But as always, not financial advice, for entertainment only. Do your own research. And I'm investing in closing companies. And if you enjoy this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, helps me out tremendously. And let's get into the clip. And finally, we'll go not really quick, but we'll just kind of take a look at my prediction that I had back in beginning of January in 2023 here. So this was kind of my bull case scenario for where things might have happened this year, as far as where the Bitcoin price could be, any given month here from January through December, along with the average network hash rate on the 30-day average. And I'm pretty close on one of them. I'm a little bit further off on the other one. So hash rate, I had hash rate increasing by about 2.5% each month, going from January through December. So we started out at roughly 264 million terahashes in January, and I had it at 346 million by the end of the year. This was based on the number of, purchased miners that the miners have reported, how much they actually installed in 2022, how much they had left to install in 23. I was calculating that based on how much they actually have the network hash rate percentage-wise, trying to figure out where things could possibly get to by the end of the year. And obviously, I was a little bit off on that. We'll see if maybe this does come true by the end of the year. But right now, I'm off. Okay. So I had the network hash rate being at 291 here in May. We are at 334 million right now, so I'm off by 14.62%. It is higher right now than what I had it. Bitcoin price, I had Bitcoin price increasing each month by 7% a month from a start in January of 20,250, and then by the end of the year, we would be at 42,624. I still think this is possible with Bitcoin price. We'll see with the network hash rate where it actually ends up by the end of the year. It does seem like it's cooling off a little bit here now in the summertime. We've had a lot of miners install a lot of machines already, Marathon being one of them, along with others. So I'm thinking maybe that's going to kind of cool off here going forward a little bit, at least until the end of the year. So we'll see. Obviously, we're pretty close to the 346 million terahashes right now with 334. So I'm guessing I'm probably going to be wrong in that. But I was guessing that we might go up in value about 31% by the end of the year. It looks like we might be closer to 50% by the time everything's said and done. Sorry about that. That is my phone going off, which I forgot to turn the ringer off. Okay, so with Bitcoin price right now, Bitcoin is at, I had it at 26,544 in May. We are currently at 26,874, so we're pretty doggone close to that right now as it is. I'm only off by 1.24%. I was also off on it from my 22 projections by the end of the year in 2022. I was off by, I think, like $1,500, something like that. I had Bitcoin going down in my bear case down to 13,000 something. We ended up at 15,500 something. So we were pretty close on that one as well. Right now, we're doing pretty good with it. We'll see where this is going to play out. But yeah, it's going to be definitely interesting to find out when we actually get into December where we ended up with this, how close I was to this. I do think I'm going to be off on the Bitcoin network hash rate. Bitcoin price, I might be a little close to it. We'll see where it ends up at right now. But it is going to be interesting to see nonetheless how close I was to that. Okay, so that's basically just an update on my predictions for 2023 as far as where Bitcoin would go and network hash rate and things are concerned. Let me know if you still agree with these numbers. If you think, obviously, my network average hash rate is going to be, I think, much higher than what I have it here, but we'll see.